Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Robert Travel. We are here in United Arab Emirates. Another episode for my vlog. So guys, I'm going to show you guys around the city of Dubai, and I hope you guys are gonna like it. Enjoy and subscribe my channel for more videos to come. Thank you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Robert Travel, and we are here in United Arab Emirates. Guys, I came to visit Future Museum, one of the tourist sites in United Arab Emirates, and it's amazing to visit. This is very cool and very nice place to visit. As you can see, this building is so fascinating that everyone needs to visit. It's very wonderful and beautiful building to visit.